Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Well, today I decided to go to my local Dollarama store, and who better yet to keep me company than all of you. So come along, enjoy, and let's see what they have new at the Dollarama this time around. Talk to you very soon. So first off, I see these drink cozies, which are super cute. They have some really cute sayings. I don't believe I've seen these before. These are the super absorbent multi-purpose towels. Here are some bamboo trivets. Here they have some fridge liners, and what's super cool about these, they come in these really cool colors. The mint color is really pretty. These aren't new, these silicone sponge holders, but I find them really neat and I think could keep your kitchen really tidy. These were new. These are the fragrance boost for your laundry, and they come in 2 cents. They have 2 cents in the potpourri, the lavender, and I think the other one's lemon. And these are always handy to keep in your purse when you go to the washrooms outside your home. These were new as well. These are laundry capsules. These vases are so pretty. They have like a raised glass and they have this ombre effect. So pretty. I've seen this a couple of times on my last shops. This is the Poop Assassin. It's a toilet bowl cleaner. They have really pretty summer tablecloths. Check this one out with the pineapples and the hibiscus and the palm trees. So pretty, so tropical, so summer. They just didn't have it in my table size. Oh, and I'm so happy I found these, the lemon tea towels. They are so pretty and so expensive looking. They definitely do not look like dollar store items. You better believe I'm picking one up. Oh, and check out these candles. These are new to my store. So pretty. And they're Watson candles. And look at the print. They have like a matte black or a matte white with foil prints on them. So pretty. And the coconut one smells really nice. Don't know how the throw is. These were new at my store as well. These are the tea light candle holders. They're glass and it's a 4-pack and they have different sayings on them. Oh, and check out these glass bottles. So pretty. They have a tropical theme on them, and they are so nice for your summer barbecues. Very pretty. These are also new and they are glass and they're very bright and festive. Oh, and check these out, these mason jars and these pineapples, and they're all glass as well. Lemons, really festive for your barbecue summer parties. These macrame plant hangers are also new at my Dollarama. And of course, all the Canada Day, July 1st items are all out. Very patriotic. Oh wow, this is so cool. My nieces would absolutely love this. This is the slip and slide. Wow, I remember that when I was a kid. They have an aisle dedicated to summer water fun. Floaties, water guns, water balloons. So much fun if you're a kid. This is a strawberry shortcake tea set. This is new at my Dollarama. Really, really cute. Brings me back to when I was a child. I used to love strawberry shortcake. These are cute little fans to keep you cool. Not sure how good they are, but they don't require any batteries, so they're always ready to go when you are. Oh my goodness, this next item, this wall decal, it's 24 pieces. They're gold heart foil, like it's a rose gold. So pretty for a little girl's room. Only $1.50, much more if you were to purchase that at Etsy. I've seen them there, a lot more. Also, these wall decals for the bathroom are super cool. Oh, this is new as well. This is a portable hand vacuum for your vehicle. Wow, okay, I haven't seen this before. This is $4. Don't know how powerful it is. They have full stock of these signs with the sequins inside them. I really love the sayings on these. Very motivational. Again, they are fully stocked with their binders, and their setup's a little bit different now, but a variety to choose from, all different colors, all different designs, anything. Oh, look at this one. This one's really pretty. I like the foil print on them. But again, so many to choose from. So if you want to buy them for school, now is the time. Oh my goodness, look at this. I found the Monster High dolls for $4. These definitely don't retail for $4 at your local Walmart or Toys R Us. Oh, and look at these sequin stuffies. They're so cute. And look at the colors. Wow, they're so bright. These little unicorn here. Oh, and these stuffy cupcakes are so cute. And they play Happy Birthday. Here they have a Vortex coin bank. This would be a lot of fun for the kids, and they'd be saving money as well and having fun at the same time. Oh my goodness, and check this item out. It's a dream tent. It turns your bed into a tent. This is like buy them up for Christmas gifts because this is one of your start the car deals. Super awesome. And check out this letterboard. It's so much bigger than the original one that everyone was on the hunt for. They just keep getting better and better. Here are some more wall decals. Oh, and I absolutely love these with the colorful pom-poms. They're so cute, and they had a llama, and they had a mermaid, and they had flamingos. I'm not sure what other ones they had, but so cute. This is another amazing Christmas gift. Check this out. It's the net that goes over a little girl's bed. Supergirl, so pretty, makes a cute little reading nook. Oh, I absolutely love this. For $4, oh, you cannot beat that. Well, this concludes the shop with me at Dollarama. A lot of new items. I hope you enjoyed it. And like always, thank you so much for watching. And I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone and have a wonderful day. We'll talk very soon. Stay tuned for a haul.